Nagaland laga Sarkar School di pura students nimidi pal kopor ekta di aji Department of School Education aro SAROJINI DAMODARAN Foundation bara VIDYADHAN Scholarship Program nimidi Memorandum of Understanding sign krushe. Program do economically disadvantaged families laga student nimidi scholarship provide kuribo aro program do state laga indigenous students karne ase aro Sarkar schools bara class 10 kudum kura kangi focus kuribo. Program D selected students higher secondary education pursue kurakan financial assistance pabo aro graduation tak continue kuribo. Program Pitor students ke financial support dia sat career guidance, life skills aro training kan bi tibo. Department aro foundation bra MoU sign kurado 5 sal nimidi ase kintu May 1st 2026 bra shuru kurikina March 31st 2031 tak continue kuribo. Details I sub.
Friends from the media, good afternoon to all of you. Today is a happy day for the School Education Department. We have gathered here to sign an MoU for implementation of a scholarship program for our students, a scholarship program outside the government scheme, a scholarship program called the VIDYADHAN. It's a program for transforming lives through education. And this program is being implemented in about 18-19 states. And with the signing of the MoU, this program, the scholarship program, will also be implemented in this state. There are specific conditions, criteria, which our friends from the foundation will be explaining to us.
It was started in 1999 from a school in Kerala, 27 years back, that is. Today it is there in 22 states and union territories across India. The number, in terms of the number of scholarships given, it is more than 78,000 scholarships which have been given by VIDYADHAN, and more than 15,000 students have benefited till date from the VIDYADHAN scholarship program. So besides the financial support given to the students, we also give them career counseling, soft skills development, and even internships. The program, in terms of the technical aspects of it, it is based on a IT platform. The program was started by Shibulal and Kumari Shibulal. As you would be knowing, probably Shibu was one of the co-founders of Infosys. He was along with Narayan Murthy and Nandan Nilekani. Shibulal was one of the 6 co-founders of Infosys. So the program itself is based on a transparent IT platform which is scalable and also customizable. So the platform contains these features. So what it has done is it has enabled a lot of sponsors to join in, whether individual sponsors or corporates. So we have a lot of corporate sponsors also joining in with the program. For example, we have NASCOM Foundation, we have Incred Finance, UST, Flex, a number of other companies and individuals. So the reason being that it's easy to plug into the program, and they are able to see the students what they are doing. The students being sponsored by these corporate sponsors. So that is another feature of the program. So these are the financial component, long term, 5 to 7 years of financial support, right from class 11 going on till graduation, and even at times beyond. So for example, for Nagaland, it would work like this, that in case we take 100 students from Nagaland this year in class 11, so next year in 2027, they go on to class 12, and we take a fresh batch of say 100 students next year, and then those in 2029 those class 12 students would go to the first year degree program. So it continues, so the students keep getting added up, and the program is long term, not for a year or two, so 5 to 7 years. So it would take about 5 to 7 years for the entire pipeline to be filled. So we are here to for the long term in partnership with the state government of Nagaland. We are also we'd like to learn here that how in terms of how to take the program further. That is in terms of initial comments.
So good afternoon, and as Sir mentioned, so here we have nearly 15,000 students who are getting benefited. So the beauty of this program, kind of, we get the funds from the sponsors. We don't kind of take any administrative charges from the donors. Like the entire amount that you sponsor, that's as a sponsor, that directly goes to the students' account, bank accounts. And also we do a residential training program for the students who got selected on the scholarship. So they will be undergone for 4 days residential, they will be coming to a place in the place where we are kind of decided. And we will be teaching them about career guidance and motivations and soft skill trainings for 4 days. And we invite such personalities who can kind of talk to the students and inspire them. So that's kind of training program also we do for the students who got selected. Also the scholarships that continues till graduation, as I mentioned. So those in graduation time, like 2 days, we do again one more residential training program where we'll be talking about kind of employability, since class 11 and 12th they are kind of deciding their life, like what to study and things. So we'll be kind of doing career guidance. For degree students, we'll be doing employability, where we do mock interviews and kind of resume building. Such kind of training programs also we'll do for the students who got selected for this.
Technically, this scholarship will be for our government school children who are passing out their matriculation, which the matriculation results were also out a couple of days back. So it's opportune time. I had the opportunity to meet one great man in India, that is the co-founder of the Infosys, Shibulal. We met at the site even in New York for the United Nations General Assembly. So following that also, your foundation, especially through Mantra for Change and Shiksha Lokam, you invited us for the Edu conclave there in Bangalore this year. So you fully sponsored everything. So we took a delegation of about 20 of our government officials. So I think this is an outcome of our collaboration, and we hope that this scholarship is not just limited to the school level. It fosters even at their graduation level, whether they are picking up medical sciences, whether they are going for engineering, so at their graduation level also. So I think this is something which it's very unique. And if you look at the ecosystem of philanthropy in India, we are very happy, and for a state like Nagaland, which is mostly very far-flung, mostly what do we call agrarian based, people's livelihood are we have no major industry. So in whatever small capacity or big capacity, it will be a very big thing for our people, and especially we know that for sure that it will touch the lives of our children. And we understand that for a young society like Nagas, we have no major civilizations before. So our introduction to formal education also, it's very young. So to be part of this great country, I think our parents are all invested in education. So today, I think the threshold of how we look at education in Nagaland, it's provided by the central schools. We have a couple of them, about a dozen of them. Then we have majorly the private sector, which are also contributing in building the leadership of our young children. Then we have our schools, which are present both in urban areas, but mostly catering to the rural areas. So this scholarship exclusively for our children in the government schools. We know that they are from the low income group. It is difficult for them to have hopes and dreams beyond a certain limit. So we understand that there is a very composite, unique feature in the entire scholarship, and I can understand, because especially during our interaction in Bangalore this year. I think the other foundation where we are looking is which is being run by Shibilalji's daughter. So we hope that we will also be soon signing an MoU with them, and especially for Nagas, we are not created for factory line just now. But what we are good is because of our amiable, because of our nature of tribal people, I think we are good as caregivers, age caregivers. We are good in service sector. So I mean, these are part of our nature of being tribal also. So we hope that this kind of scholarship will foster us a long way. So today I'm very happy that guided by our Chief Minister Dr. Nipurio, we have an open-ended approach in building state capabilities. We understand that the state is the foundation for providing welfare as well as providing education for our children. We understand that the government of India as a federal feature of education, I think government of India also provides some this thing, but we know that building state capabilities also require participants from the corporate sector, and I understand that the foundation, especially like the VIDYADHAN Foundation or those which are being initiated, it goes a little beyond what we call just providing resources. I think there is a lot of fostering, and I understand that we are in good hands. So today I warmly welcome Pankaj ji, Jacob ji and your team for reaching us in such a very hurried time, but through this MoU, I once again welcome you to the department, to the state of Nagaland, and thank you all so much.
Has started because of the initiation of the Honorable Advisor. And today we will be signing an MoU. The MoU, the department represented by the Director, Mr. Rasul Singh Dese, and the SAROJINI Damodaran Foundation, represented by Mr. Tripathi. As per procedures, this MoU is already vetted by the Justice and Law departments. And this MoU defines the roles and responsibilities of both parties as well as the timeline. This MoU is valid for a period of 5 years from the 1st of May 26 up to 31st March 2031 and may be renewed thereafter on mutually agreed terms. So with this, I think we can now sign the MoU.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.